Welcome dear viewers to my Focus YouTube channel. In this video, I'm focusing on the sound ch. Before I proceed discussing on this sound, I request you all to subscribe the channel and watch for the other consonant and vowel sounds. Now let's get into the ch sound. Ch, ch, ch. Ch sound is articulated with the tongue tip touching the back of the teeth ridge. Ch, ch. Here the vocal cord does not vibrate. Let us practice once more. Ch, 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 ch. Now let us see some of the words with ch sound. These are the beginning sounds. Choose, check, charge, challenge, chart, chapter. Now let us see some of the ch sound in between the words. Now this is the middle position. Structure, future, nature, kitchen, infrastructure, agriculture. The ch sound now by the end of the word. This is the final position. Research, teach, approach, switch, lunch, coach. Here are a few sentences with ch sound in it. Do you like cheese? Mark cheated on the test. Richard is a lawyer. The butcher's shop is closed. I need to buy new furniture. He enjoys spending his time in nature. Hope you have some better idea with the sound ch now. Thank you for watching the video.